Tech webinars, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key of enhancing our performances and for our growth as professionals. With this principle in mind, TechGig has initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give a crisp insight of various domains. Topic for today's session is Hibernate, Getting Started with CRUD. We are delighted to have Mr. Zahir Nanji, Senior Technical Architect, Vertex Software Private Limited, with us today. Zahir is an engineering graduate with 11 years of experience in architecture, design, and development of end-tier applications, mostly in the Java J2EE technology stack. He has experience in working with services as well as product development organizations and specializes in enterprise application integration in the banking domain. Gentlemen, this presentation will continue for next 45 minutes and we will take your questions after the presentation. In the meanwhile, you can post your queries through the chat pane available in the webinar software. Without further ado, I introduce you to our guest speaker, Mr. Zahir.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, the organizers, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Please share your screen.
Yeah, so is my screen visible now?
Please go ahead. Thank you.
Hello? Hi, yeah, is the screen visible now?
Yeah, it is visible and we can hear you also. Please.
Okay, great.
Thanks.
Let's get started then. Yeah, so good afternoon, everyone, and as the title suggests, we're going to speak about Hibernate today. Hibernate, I'm sure most of you have heard of Hibernate. Even for those who haven't, Hibernate is a persistence framework. It's an open source persistence framework, and it's developed for both the Java community as well as the .NET community. Now, I having most of the experience in Java J2EE, I'll be using the Java based Hibernate framework for this session, but the concepts still remain the same for those who would like to use NHibernate, which is the Hibernate version for .NET. And since this is getting started kind of a session, it's going to cover the very basics of Hibernate, and I don't intend on getting into complexities of Hibernate and advanced topics, which if given an opportunity and the time, we'll sure take some advanced topics also going ahead. But the basic objective of today's session is to give beginners an insight into how to start off with Hibernate, what it is, how it's used, where it's used, how it is helpful to reduce lines of code, etc. So it's targeted at the audience who is new to frameworks such as persistence frameworks or OR mapping frameworks. So we will keep this entire session at that level so that beginners benefit from it the most. So that was just setting the expectations for the session. So now we can go ahead and start off.